Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This is looking a little bit different because I have a lot to say in the introduction. I felt it was better to just do it this way than to give you the many slides full of text with the soothing music that I normally do. So this week we had a lot of people show up. It was fantastic. We had 19 people show up for challenge night, which is probably the most I've seen in a long time. Including a group that came up all the way from Columbus with a lot of quality racers. So that was cool to have them come up. As for the racing itself, we just did a whole bunch of like heads-up racing with the hairpins involved, and putting down the dance floor wax to make it a little more icy in those sections. It got a little sketchy at times. I had some unfortunate circumstances with my GoPro because it did not want to screw into the mount that I have for my helmet. So unfortunately, I missed the only good races that I had that whole night. The first race, I had some nice back and forth action, which was a lot of fun. The second race, I made a last lap pass to get third, it was really fun to just size the person up the whole time and eventually, make that pass. So the only two races I do have are a disaster from my perspective. If you are too tired of seeing me winning every time, these are the races for you because I get absolutely demolished. So as you can tell, I did find a way to record the last two, but you are going to have to stick around for the race to actually see, to hear how I did it. All right. If at any point you like what you're watching, be sure to drop me a like below. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you think this intro is better than doing the normal text that I'm doing, let me know in the comments below. All right, thanks for watching.
Okay. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Sorry, Zach. I thought we had a room. My bad. I don't blame you for what you did. I would have done the same thing. You didn't know I was there. It was my fault. My fault. It might be a little too icy. We might have put a little too much wax down. Yep. I think you've got too much brake there, Zach, because you keep sliding a little bit. Man, that is so much wax, oh my God. Oh. My cart's actually good too. I'm actually, like, my braking's pretty good right now. Ah, oh my God, I'm so far out. Yep, go, 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 go. Oh, the wax is so... Oh, it's so rough right now. Like, there's just like no line out there that you can take and actually make a pass. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, Drew. Now we're back in the thick of it with people. That was, I understand what was happening. It was a racing incident. There's nothing malicious there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude. Oh, okay, all right, that's, okay, yeah, great. Good. That's how you race. That's how we do it. Okay, great. Good racing. I'm just salty because people don't know how to use the brakes behind me apparently, and now it's gonna be not very eventful. We're having a nice clean race and then people, whatever. Well, this will be not very eventful. So I've had a rough week. In addition to cutting my fingers while chopping cabbage, my GoPro mount didn't work, so I did not get the first two great races that we had. Unfortunately, they were really good. Had some great moves. Unfortunately, didn't have footage. So what I did was I had a little like multi-tool that my work gave me recently that had a knife on it. So what I did was I whittled away at my GoPro mount until I would actually be able to get it in. And in the process of doing that, I cut myself. So I am bleeding for all of you people who are watching, all 3 people who watch and subscribe and like. Thank you, I appreciate it. Oh man. I mean, like, the most frustrating part is basically, it wasn't that, like, I got turned. It's that, like, I got turned so badly that, like, the rest of the races didn't matter. Like, if I just got spun a little bit and we could still race, it'd be fine, but, like, when you get spun so bad that the whole field passes you except for one person, like, that's just, like, that's just rough. Like, what are you supposed to do? All right, here we go. I am hungry. I am tired. I cannot wait to go home. But I have had a great time, even though I got spun in the feature. Ow! Man, everybody's so rough. We'll all get there, people. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get there. Oh, Jesus Christ. Did I even break there? Holy moly. Wow, I'm in last. What happened? I guess I started near the back. Oh, that's funny. Oh, his cart's slow. That's unfortunate. Oh, Jesus Christ! Dude! Holy moly! You gotta use the brakes. Oh. Yep, I know. I started off a little bad, don't worry. I'm sorry. Oh. Ah, okay, great, good. Good. This is good. It's been a good night. Well, let's lead her outside the cones. I can catch up. It's been a rough night. But it's okay. We live to fight another day. Well, I guess I shouldn't make that claim yet. I haven't finished the race. I could get into a horrible go-karting accident by the time the race is over. And I would not be able to race another day. So let's, I'm not going to count my chickens before they hatch. I've already stabbed myself. So... Let's reel them in. Can we do any reeling? You know the best part of getting into an incident? You have an excuse at the end. That's the best part of getting into trouble. At the end you can go, man, yeah, I just got into it with somebody. I just couldn't, couldn't do anything about it. And, what are you gonna do? We'll get them next time, That's all you gotta do. Built-in excuses. Man. Not enough. Ooh. I'm pretty sure that was my line. I think I had enough cart next to you that was my line, but I'm not gonna sweat it. It's whatever. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff is happening. Oh my God.